In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve or just looking to brush up on some of its features, you're in the right place. DaVinci Resolve is a versatile video editing software, well regarded in the industry for its advanced color correction and powerful editing tools. Today, we'll dive into a simple yet often used feature, cropping an image. This can be incredibly useful when you need to focus on a specific part of your footage or eliminate unwanted areas from your frame. Let's begin our journey by opening up DaVinci Resolve. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from their official website. Once you've got it up and running and your project is open, you'll want to locate the image you intend to crop. You can do this by navigating through your media pool, which houses all the footage and images you've imported into your project. From here, simply drag and drop your image onto the timeline to make it active and editable. Next, with the image selected on your timeline, you'll want to direct your attention to the right side of your screen, where you'll find a panel called the Inspector. The Inspector panel is your go-to place for making adjustments to your images and video clips within DaVinci Resolve. Here, you'll have various options to play with, ranging from transformations to compositing effects. But for our purpose today, we'll focus on cropping. Upon opening the inspector, look for a section labeled Cropping. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You might just need to scroll down a bit until you locate it. Once you find the cropping section, you'll see that it offers fields you can adjust to crop from each side of your image. You can specify exact values in pixels for top, bottom, left, and right, or you can use the sliders to visually adjust the edges of your image interactively. Cropping the image can help to redirect the viewer's attention or refine the composition of what's being shown. Play around with these values and watch as the unwanted parts of your image simply vanish, leaving you with a clean, focused frame. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully cropped your image in DaVinci Resolve. You can now proceed with the rest of your editing, confident your images are framed just the way you need them. Cropping might seem like a minor task, but mastering it gives you greater control over your visual storytelling. Thank you for joining me on this quick dive into DaVinci Resolve's cropping tool. Remember, the more you explore and tinker with the features available, the more proficient you'll become in crafting your creative projects. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.